Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be testing some of the best features of Roblox Studio. Now, previously I told you that in the last episode I've told you that what stuff can do there. For example, I teach you how to download Studio, I teach you what the main things are, how to scale, drag, and all that stuff. So, today we're going to be exploring the features. Now, I'm pretty sure that you've all taken the tour of Learn the Fundamental of Studio of Roblox. Yes. I recently saved the video. I recently saved it. So basically, I'm gonna be teaching you how to create simulators or whatever you want. And in the next episode, I will be teaching how to code. So in the first thing first, as you can see, when you come in in the tour, it's gonna be something, a message here. You'll have to drag, scale, edit part, the material import, change color, anchor, lock, then you can move, scale, all that stuff. And also, I didn't explain you all of the stuff because you don't need it, but running script is like this module. There are, I'm pretty sure, one or two scripts. One is the basic script, another one is module script. So basically, module is something that you manage your game. For example, if I set, for example, I create a simulator. So when you create a get in a simulator, you have 0 gems and your status is 0 because of the manager. Manager applies it to be 0. Anyways, this will be in future videos. And guys, I'm gonna be teaching you what these all stuff mean. Properties, then Explorer. So what Basic Explorer does is basically, if you click on workspace, there's terrain, city. City is something this, and terrain is something that you can, for example, it's like a beach. This is terrain. It's like a base plate, but yeah, for example, plants are terrains. It's like a base plate, by the way. Yes. So, let me just teach you the fundamentals. So, all of this has its own name. Boxes, parent is city. What parent is, it's what is in the city. For example, the 12 BLDG, it's like one of these houses. So basically, one of these houses, when we tell it, it's a parent. For example, you're in your house, yes. You have a cup. Cup is what? Cup is a parent. Because cup is in the house, so the house is the parent, we could say. Because a cup stands in a house. I'm pretty sure you all got me here, but a camera is something that positions and all that stuff. So we're gonna be creating and exploring the features of racing. So basically, if you write marketplace, if you write, for example, car, let's just write a car. This is gonna be fun. For example, I have this car. Look. This is a car. Name parent is workspace because it's from here, and also then we have behavior, scaling, oriental, and we see, if you can see, this is max speed is 40. We can increase this max speed to, for example, let's do 1,000. So in 1,000, this max speed, if this has more speed, you can fly around the map. I mean, yes. 1,000 is its max speed. It's like kilometer horse. You buy, in real life, you buy cars and all that stuff. Basically, what I'm gonna be also showing you is that sometimes you just need to edit your game. For example, if you don't know coding, or if you don't know coding, you're not a fan, it's boring, you can just go to the plugins. And there's, for example, auto rig car generator. Then we could say, for example, coins. So basically, it's 2x coins, red coins, coin. These are sometimes very expensive. Good plugins. So what plugin is? Plugin is it's a code. It's like a code, a script for your parent. For example, I don't want to script my car. I can just get a script from here. And yeah, it's gonna work, but not sometimes, because then you'll have to create your own folder that says what what I say this name is. I'm pretty sure I tell it copyright or something. Yeah. So then when we open the view plugin, the view, then so this wouldn't warn us that plugin manager, please go to Pro Tools so it will work. That's why we need that stuff. And yes, let's just create and design. So I think you all guys know what designing is, and I think it's very easy. If you guys don't know how to control your screen, you can just press WASD. It will really help you, WASD, cause I mean it helps you to improve your camera. If you don't have a mouse, it is gonna be easy if you don't have a mice. But WASD, I prefer it. So basically, as you can see, these are houses. And for example, you wanna create a game. You wanna be just like Chasm. So what you wanna do is actually you can edit this real weird. The first thing that will be easy is a car. You can just it will just go around. You can create a racing stuff that gives coins, which is really easy, by the way, that which I will teach in future videos. But yes, so what we want to do is we want to go to our toolbox, and oh, I forgot. So what videos is? Videos is something that video, as you can know. It's like YouTube. Images is something you post. For example, there's Shopee Coin Iron. It's gonna be in here, or screenshot. It's gonna be it's whatever you want. For example, ads in the games. They actually load the ads and they put in the game. They do this thing from the toolbox, from the images. What the message is? I don't know, but this is a little easy. It's something like a coin, you can edit it. It's something like that. So yeah, let's just start designing. And yes, so basically you also have to anchor stuff. If you don't know what's anchor, it is something that can fall. For example, if I'm testing the game and I stand on this brick, it's gonna fall because it's not anchored. So I have to anchor this part. Yeah, for it easy to be, you can just create, well, how was it called? I forgot. You can just basically anchor them all. Anchoring is the main part. Sometimes it's a main part of Roblox, because if you don't anchor your stuff, if you have tons of billions of stuff and you didn't anchor any of these, they are going to fall. Yes, last one. Yes. So you have to anchor all of them. This car should I anchor? I just don't know. I'm just gonna anchor it because I don't really know if this can be anchored, but yeah, I'm just anchored. So Why is it so laggy? Yo, okay. So basically, what we don't want to do right now is, as you can see, there's players, whitening, material service, networking, replicated servers, server script service, server storage. These all, for example, teams. Teams is something, for example, red and blue teams. Red fights the blue team. Blue team fights the red team. It's something like that. We'll need this in our, as we can say, racing. It is, for example, starter pack is something that, I'm just saying, for you guys, it can be something that you, for example, you join Pet Simulator or any game. You They put a script there, so when you hit an area, it's gonna be a starter pack. Get this for Robux. This is actually a marketing place. It's marketing. What UI is, it's actually something that screen you. You can just put frames, photos, or it's just images. It's like images, but better. What server storage is, for example, if you want your game to have about 50 storage, 50, like people can join one server. You have to do this, but you will somehow need you will need some scripts because 50 I think is the max, because if you have thousands of people your game is gonna crash. For example, what server script service is? So basically server script service is something that, how can I tell you? Server script services when you, for example, when you leave the game, you leave the game, or when you join the game and there's a kick message saying that, for example, you're unable to load our, how's it called, load our data. We can't load our data. Please rejoin. This is server script service. It basically it looks if your data is, for example, if you're new to the game and it's accidentally there's 1,000 gems which you don't have, it's gonna kick you out. Yeah. So, yeah. What network client is? Network is something like network, but it's a client. Material service is what material. Where are gonna be in the future videos. I will explain this in future videos. Player actually is something that your players do. How much players you want to have, what their access are. For example, accessories are actually kind of like players because you need to add parent, player, all that stuff, as you know. So yeah, I think this will be an end. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you probably tomorrow or next week. Bye.